Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Stella's channel. We are going to Mont, Tremblant, I think, to go on a hiking trip with Dobby and Shinobu. I'm not sure if there will be a lot of dogs in this video, but it will be more content about them. Hope you enjoy. See you later. We got Stella and Dobby playing in the back of the car. So we just got here and it's so pretty. Okay, let's go, girl. We finally made it back to the beginning. It took us 3.5 hours and we only took one break to take pictures. Check out Stella's Instagram to see the pictures that we took. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. There's the beginning. I'll link the trail that we took in the description. Hope everyone has a nice Thanksgiving. Bye.